Jingle bells, 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 bells.
Piano in the bell.
Jingle bell.
Good morning and happy Vlogmas Day 22. And I'm sick.
$50 to get drunk in a hotel or maybe.
Your hair looks nice.
Thanks.
It'll look better once you wash it.
Thank you. Okay, so apparently my dad got a truck. I don't believe him, but we're gonna go look. My shins are cold.
Oh my god, it's so cold.
Okay, ready? Where are you going? Why? Scott, there's okay. Nice! Oh my gosh, it's so large. I thought you said you were getting one door.
You made a good call.
Oh
My god. Who's sitting back there?
your legs are not gonna fit there.
Yeah, that's because I'm not gonna.
Car.
Yesterday, it's got a Hemi. Should I take
It's
a little?
got a what?
A Hemi. I think for a little
That
spin.
means. And there's no step. Ram 1500.
How do you
Yeah.
drive?
With that engine. I don't know what that means. I'm so cold. What happened to the other one? Where'd you put it? Did you leave the other one there?
Yeah, I'm done with it.
Like forever?
Tune to 104.5.
Wow, 104.5.
Tune to FM radio.
Well, you got that figured out, but
Tune to FM 92.5. Ha.
Tune to 9:10 a.m.
we're gonna work.
How did they get 9:10 a.m.? Okay, let me try again.
You have to say
Yeah, I know.
FM after.
Tune to 92.5 FM. I got this now.
You didn't say point. Let's return it.
Let's get new.
This is fun.
4 minutes.
Yeah, I am. It beeps too? When you're too close to cars?
Tune to
Oh.
94.7 FM.
Tuning to 530 a.m.
Oh my god, that's so funny. Where'd you put all the stuff that was in your backseat before?
I'm actually bumming.
How is VLOGMAS supposed to work if you're going 200 kilometers per hour on an 80? What in tarnation? So nice. Do you like it? Are you gonna buy it? Okay, we are home again, and I look really pretty. Jesus. My mom wants us to do Christmas photos today, so I need to actually look decent. So, I'm gonna get ready. Which sucks, and it's gonna take so long. And I don't want to! Alright, let's do this. I need my brush and my straightener, and I'm ready to go. Yeehaw!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, 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 bells.
Piano in the bell.
Jingle bell,
look great. Scott looks like that. Tragic, not gonna lie. Mom's just full of pictures right now.
Stop it.
Our dogs have their collars on. Banner. That would have been good. That's like a action shot of me vlogging, you know?
Mom, are we taking what's going on today?
Okay, time-lapse time. We've had a change in location because our photographer is a diva. I gotta get my blanket though. Both of our dogs are gonna run away. It's gonna be tragic, not gonna lie. Oh, one's running right now. I know, we're really cute. Now it's gonna fast forward to about 2 hours later when I'm grocery shopping. I don't know how this happened. I'm so sorry. So, it's been a little while, and I'm now at the grocery store with my mom, but I actually just lost her. I'm pretty sure we've already been down this aisle. I genuinely don't know where she is. Kind of stressed, not gonna lie. Found her. I found her. Don't stress. Where are you going? You're moving so fast. I got farfallini. Yep. Oh, look at how pretty those are. I've switched cars like 9 times during Vlogmas. I'm currently in my brother's car. Basically, I'm now in the car, and my mom is checking out. We are running behind schedule. Basically, we went to the mall and I finished my Christmas shopping finally. I'm very happy. Then we came to the grocery store to get like kind of the last couple of things we need for Christmas Eve because we host Christmas Eve. And we're almost done that. And then before we came in the grocery store, we ordered Chinese food because it's like my birthday dinner tonight because I didn't get to have one on my actual birthday. So we were gonna go out, and then I was just like, I don't want to go out. I want to eat Chinese food and watch a Christmas movie. And so that's what we're doing tonight. Oh.
The rice is a little cold.
The what?
The rice is cold.
No, it's not.
Yeah. No, I'm sorry.
Jackson, what do you want to say? Look how cute that was. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Why is my dog crying? It is so irritating. Banner, what's wrong? Huh? Odd.